When was the last time you saw a monarch butterfly land on a flower? Saw the blue wings of a dragonfly? Admired the dedication of hard-working bumblebees in your own yard? Pollen, nectar, shrubs, flowers, a watery place to take a drink, somewhere for new young to hatch. Plan It Wild is the natural habitat specialist who can help you with design, installation, and DIY garden kits. Habitats that help nature flourish. In executive parks, in front of your new business, or right in your own backyard. Plan it with love. Plan it with nature. Plan It Wild. Bring back habitat. Learn more at planetwild.com.